Good morning, traders. It's just gone 9 o'clock on the 13th of May 2022. Let's get the trading day started. You might notice that my account is looking a little bit dismal this morning. So if you haven't already seen it, please check out my previous video of what not to do when trading. I had a very dismal day yesterday, mainly because I didn't follow my own trading rules. And I think it's important for people to watch those kinds of videos to see what happens when you don't follow your trading plan. Anyway, on to today. Let's place our orders. So we're going to place one order to go long, stop order to go long above the range at 397.915, $2 away from the high, and one order to go short at 391.790. So there we have the orders in the market. I've placed a line here at the center line to place our stop losses. It's quite a large range today. So our first stop loss is at 504, and our second stop loss is at 477. And our take profits at 500 odd rand on both sides. Please excuse my dog walking around on the wooden floors. Sorry, let me just adjust that. Okay, as I said in my previous video, it's important to put a stop loss in, very important. The take profit, you can change if you feel that it's going to go beyond that, but the most important thing is a stop loss. So it looks like if it continues downwards, it's going to take quite a while to get out the bottom of the range, but as we've seen, we never know what's going to happen. So I'll keep you informed throughout the day as to what goes on with this trade. Okay, it's 10:33. A little while ago we were triggered into a long position. So let's have a look here. At 9:34, so about an hour ago now, we were triggered into a long position. It didn't really do much the first while. It went a bit down. Now it seems to be coming up. Yeah, you can see as we were triggered right at the top over here. Came down, we were in a 185 rand loss at a point, but now it seems to be on its way up, currently sitting at 51 rand down. So we'll keep you informed as to what happens with that one. Okay, it's 5 to 4, 6 minutes to 4. This trade we've been in since 9 o'clock. It's taken a while to find some direction, but it seems to have found some good upward momentum at the moment, as the American markets have opened about 25 minutes ago. What I'm going to do, it's still pretty volatile. I'm not going to move my stop to 0 just yet, but I'm going to move my take profit up. As you can see, our current take profit is over here, which is kind of in the middle of this sort of consolidation area. And I think if it gets to this point, it'll pretty much go all the way and go to these highs over here. So I'm going to put a line where the current take profit is, just for reference sake, and then move my take profit up here. Not quite the extreme highs, but sort of over there. That's 1,100 rands worth of profit. And I think when it goes above this level where my previous take profit was, I'll move my stop to that level just to lock in those profits. But I'll continue to keep you up to date with what's happening with this trade. Okay, it's 4:30. As you can see, our trade is doing very well. We've breached the level where we would have taken profit, and currently sitting at 615 odd rand profit. It's gone up all the way to 700, but it's come back down a little bit. Let's just have a look at the 5-minute chart. Yeah, you can see since 335 it's been on a nice upward trajectory, slightly down at the moment, but I'm pretty confident it's going to be another little retracement like it's done up to this point. So what I'm going to do now, it hasn't gone far enough above this line for me to be comfortable putting my stop loss over here, but if it continues up, I'll definitely do that soon. But for now, I'm going to be putting my stop loss at break even, just so that I know that I won't be losing anything on this trade if for some reason it goes against us. But I'm cautiously optimistic about it getting all the way to our take profit over here. As you can see, at the current level, it's sort of bouncing around on this support and resistance level over here. So hopefully once it breaks through there, it'll be smooth sailing all the way to our take profit at the top. Currently sitting at 664 Rand profit, and I'll keep you informed as to what happens with it. Okay, so it's actually the next morning. It's 9:57 on the 14th of May. For some reason my clip didn't record yesterday, my final clip. So let me just go through what happened. So we were in this long position and went all the way up here. At this point I placed my stop loss at the 500 level, the original level where we would have taken profit, and then with the 7 o'clock candle it went through this level over here, and we were stopped out, but with a profit. So the profit that we made on that trade was 497 Rand and 78 cents. So not as good as we were hoping in terms of the take profit up at the 1,100 Rand level, but 497 Rand, basically 500 Rand for the day, I'm happy with. Hope you have a good weekend, and we'll see you all on Monday again when we get stuck into the new trading week. Cheers.